Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Llama 3 is a powerful language model designed by Meta, and its capabilities can be enhanced by using image inputs, particularly when integrated with vision capabilities. This tutorial will guide you through setting up and using Llama 3 with vision for local chat applications that can process images and text. We will leverage the Ollama framework to simplify the deployment and interaction with the model. Prerequisites: 1. Python. Ensure you have Python 3.7 or higher installed. 2. Ollama. Install Ollama by following the instructions on the Ollama website, https://ollama.com. 3. Llama 3 model. You'll need to download the Llama 3 model via the Ollama framework. Setup: 1. Install Ollama. If you haven't installed Ollama yet, run the following command in your terminal: bash curl ssfl https://ollama.com/download sh. 2. Download Llama 3 model. Use the following command to pull the Llama 3 model which has vision capabilities: bash Ollama pull Llama 3-2 vision. Code example. Here's a simple Python script that demonstrates how to interact with Llama 3 for a chat application that can also process images. 1. Install required packages. You may need to install the following Python packages if you haven't done so already: bash pip install requests pillow. 2. Create the chat application. Below is a sample Python code that demonstrates how to use the Llama 3 model with image inputs. Python import requests. From pil import image. Import IO. Define the endpoint for the Ollama model. Ollama_API_URL equals http://localhost 11434/chat. Def chat _with Llama 3, prompt, image_path equals none. Prepare the data payload. Data equals prompt, image, none. If an image path is provided, read the image. If image_path with open, image_path, RB, as img_file. Image_data equals img_file.read. Data image equals image_data. Send the request to the Llama 3 model. Response equals requests.post, Ollama_API_URL, files equals data. If response.status_code equals 200. Return response.json.get, response. Else. Return F error, response.status_code, response.text. If __name__main_main_, you can specify the path to your image and the prompt you want to send. Image_path equals path/to/your/image.jpg change to your image path. Text_prompt equals what do you see in this image? Get the response from Llama 3. Response equals chat_with Llama 3, text_prompt, image_path. Print, response from Llama 3. Print, response. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing libraries. Requests, to make HTTP requests to the Ollama API. Pillow to handle image operations. 2. Chat_with Llama 3 function. This function takes a text prompt and an optional image path. It creates a data payload containing the prompt and the image. It sends a post request to the Llama 3 model endpoint. 3. Main execution block. Specify the path to the image and the text prompt. Call the chat_with Llama 3 function and print the response. Running the application. 1. Make sure your Ollama server is running. You can start it by running bash Ollama serve llama 3-2 vision. 2. Run your Python script. Bash Python your script name.py. Conclusion. You have now set up a basic local chat application using Llama 3 with vision capabilities. This allows you to send both text and image inputs to the model and receive responses based on the content of the image and the text provided. You can expand on this by adding more functionality, such as a user interface or additional processing based on the model's responses.